mga sis! Good morning! Meron naman tayong bagong video for July 4th. So, nagpunta po kami sa event. Ang tawag po dun is Red, White, and Boom. So, may mga fireworks pong magaganda. Kindly watch up until the end. Nagbigay din po ako ng mga clips kung anong nangyari sa event. So, thank you for supporting us. Please kindly share and like our vlog. So thank you.
Seconds, you're gonna play some games. Okay. All right. We're gonna pause on the games.
Love you.
We're looking for Kendra and Allie Foley, and a dad named Cameron. Their parents are missing. All right, Kendra and Allie.
You need help? Okay.
We'll get you in touch.
You need help.
It's getting a tiny bit too heavy, I thought.
Oh.
Credit card or debit card. We have that here.
Wow, there's a lot of people, mga sis.
One other announcement: if you drive a black Hyundai Elantra, I believe they said it was blocking traffic.
Oh gosh, they got a free popcorn.
Elantra.
I'm gonna get a free popcorn.
Your car time before they.
Free popcorn!
All right, so
May pa-free popcorn po tayo, mga sis. I got a free popcorn! Oh, sis, yung free Coke nila. I got a free Coke. See? We're waiting for fireworks. And there's like a stage there, like free band.
Reba Bergeron. Reba Bergeron. Part of Red, White, and Boom 2023. We're very thankful for everybody to help put this together. We also want you to look for next year's event on the info page for our Facebook page. So go look for Red, White, and Boom, and you can message us and follow us if you'd like to be a sponsor or a competing team in the Jambalaya Cook-Off next year. All right, again, thanks to Calcasieu Teachers Credit Union, Lake Charles Toyota, WRC, Moss Bluff Civic Club, Rouse's Market, and First Moss Bluff. All right, everybody, we're going to count it down from 10, but you got to be loud so he can hear you. You ready? 10,
This way.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Get out of the way.
2, 1.
Oh, there. Oh. Wow.